And the one guy like coming here, I'd look at your gremlin. That's neat. Yeah, you don't see too many gremlins with big block Chevys in them with tunnel rams on them. Alright, I'm going to back the S10 out and Gremlin should be coming in. Bring the Gremlin in here because it has a oil leak that the engine didn't have when it was on the engine stand, but he put it in the car and drove it home, and when he got home it was leaking. Now, it looked like maybe by the rear main or something, but anyways, we're going to swap cars. I'm going to have to see if we can get the Gremlin running. The damn front tire's flat, so he took a jack out there and I need to take the air bubble out there. Made it to the Gremlins out here in the dark. It's going to be a little dark, but got a jack underneath there and jacked her up. This tire was flat and off the bead. You have to go grab a little belt dressing to put on there to help seal that back up. Hopefully get the Gremlin running and put it in the shop, see if we can figure out what exactly is leaking on it. Master drove it back home and I was following him, and he got home, it was just rolling smoke about the back there. I thought maybe the distributor was leaking or something, but I looked underneath and it looked like it was coming out the rear main or some oil pan or something back there.
You know,
what?
I got a little Gremlin fucking cap.
Cap?
Yeah, see?
Oh. Little belt dressing up.
Something.
Tries to seal up what the backside's like.
Slide back in there.
Hopefully we can get this thing running. Been sitting here a while. It was a cold start in the dark. I don't think the air's...
Hold on,
hang on. Is the front on or is the back off or what?
Yeah, there it is. The back's off screwed.
There's it. This is trying to take care. It is taking care. As long as that's the only one, the rest of them are up, ain't they? Still need to move the pickup there and Chris move his car. Got something running.
Yeah, he moved.
I gotta move my S10 and the other S10. So. Up. Let it down or what?
Yeah, you can.
Normal doing stuff in the dark. Yeah, if you hooked up the battery or not. Underneath this damn thing somewhere here. There we go. Got the hatch of them, no battery ain't hooked up. And there's the key. Yeah, it's been sitting here a little while. Apparently he's got some kind of literature down in there. Yeah, I'm trying to think how long it's been sitting in here. It's been sitting here a little while. I did finally get the tree cutters to come cut some branches down. And the one guy like coming here, I'd look at your gremlin. That's neat. Yeah, you don't see too many gremlins with big block Chevys in them with tunnel rams on them. Well, I'm guessing it's going to be kind of a pain to get started because it's a little cold and yeah, tunnel ram. A lot of gasketer pitter-puttering. Yeah, well, I better find the keys to this pickup and get it moved. Well, if this battery ain't dead like on the pickup was, they had to push it backwards. See it over there, but it runs. Nice, try a squirt.
You get gas up there yet?
Sounded like it was trying to squirt.
Pumping, is it?
I don't know. Not that I know, it should just start right up. I don't think there's any kill switch or nothing in there.
I don't know what he did. Oh, there's a switch on in the back.
Oh, I don't know.
I don't think he shut that off. He didn't check that.
Yep, he had it off. What the hell did he worry about that for? Now it's probably flooded.
Yeah. It's got a lot of plume. Plenty early.
They should have started. Oh yeah. She's got plenty of gas in it. I got to warm up for a while before you move. How's that red light on down in there? Alternator or something? I was about to see the alternator. Yeah, it's cold-blooded. Don't ram in the wintertime. move my S10. I got her backed out. I need to move my S10. Damn fan quit working. There's that wire in the fuse box that needs to be taken care of. It's not right now. Something the master needs to fix when he gets home.
Yeah, goddamn, been all dirty in this thing.
Yes, I don't know how it's been sitting in there.
Start driving around the fucking buildings like,
yeah, there you go, out in the field.
Fuck it, well, we'll warm it up a little.
I'm sure it takes a while to get this stuff warm, sit clear the hell place.
That and this gas pedal, I can't push it. This fuck's too low.
I know.
I'm like, I thought I was pushing it to start there. What the hell are you moving? I'm like, can't see nothing on the dirt. So, thought I was pushing it, but I wasn't doing nothing. I'm trying to push it to move. I'm like, where the fuck I gotta put my foot down? I'm gonna use your heel.
You might have to go backwards, might be a little bit far forward.
What's that?
The car, but the arms are good underneath.
Going backwards.
With a new source.
You ain't you're this bad. How far?
Where's lifting that on this thing?
Under the front there, I could right beside the header. Make sure you don't get it on the header.
What about the back? Right in front of the traction bar? You might get it.
I think I can remember. Back there, look.
You go right in front of the traction bar or what?
I can't remember the last time you just going right out of the traction bar. Or you did it probably worked there, yeah. I don't know. I think we was doing this. I think about it.
I
underneath the cap, on the side of here. On the fucking subframe part. I turned mine the other direction.
Yeah, fuel line on this side.
Yeah. Whatever, it'll probably be fine. Phew. What? Gonna roll his window up. I guess. Don't matter, isn't it? Raise that most look. Look okay.
Well, I can see.
I'm sure it's all his fault, him and the stupid suction putting paint on. Try to get somebody to do the way you did shit. You When did you do that?
Last time it came out.
You definitely got a fucking mess here. You've got the check pan on the lip. Filter tight. Transmission fluid fucking lines are fucking pull that pan off.